So for this particular project, we're gonna be using our prep replacement primer. What that's designed to do is bond to sealed surfaces, existing coatings. So we have an existing, I think it's a Rust-Oleum paint chip flooring. And so what they did, we just came in, vacuumed all the edges, blew everything out, and then we did a denatured alcohol wipe, scrubbed the floor really good to get any contaminations up. That's basically the prep work for prep replacement primer. Like I said, very minimal, takes out shot blasting, diamond grinding, stuff like that. Now we do recommend, if you can, to shot blast. That's the best way to prep for any type of our coatings. But again, sometimes people run into projects where they can do that, or maybe you don't want to spend the time to do that, and this is where that primer comes in hand. So very simple. We've already mixed it up. I'm just going to pour a bead out, roll it out. It's very fast. It dries fast, so we're able to get in and get out of a project super fast, right? A few benefits, like I said, bonds to smooth sealed surfaces. It dries extremely fast, so we're able to put epoxy on within a half an hour. And so we're able to pretty much finish this project very, very fast. So quick turnaround times, lots of different applications call for different products, and this is one that we're doing.